The Treasurer has issued a blunt warning about the state of the national bank book. From healthcare to aged care, he's warning entitlements we take for granted aren't sustainable in their current forms. Political correspondent Greg Jennett reports from the G20 finance ministers meeting in Sydney.
Jack and Joe want the world to grow.
Jack, I think perhaps if you start.
And we're pleased to see that you put growth strategies at the core of the G20 agenda this year.
In US Treasury Secretary Jack Lew, Joe Hockey's got a powerful ally for his global ambitions.
Ultimately, we are focused on economic growth and jobs.
To business, to bankers and to the other 19 finance ministers, the Treasurer's G20 remedy for international ills is also his domestic one. Sustainable government and tighter spending.
What is sustainable? What is the quality of healthcare? What is the quality of aged care?
That's 2 national conversations in 3 days.
It was Otto von Bismarck who set the pension age at 65.
Labor put the pension age on a slow transition to 67. Only 3 months ago, the Productivity Commission suggested raising it to 70. Joe Hockey said he wasn't considering it then, but now
we have to look at ways to continue to increase it as we live longer.
The Abbott government must come clean. Do they have a secret plan?
The second conversation the government's holding is Medicare. The Commission of Audit is examining multiple options, but the ABC's been told the government isn't inclined to favour a co-payment.
We will absolutely keep our commitments. Does that mean that every single bit of existing spending will remain in perpetuity? Of course not.
How well Joe Hockey can convince or cajole G20 ministers on his global agenda won't be known until Sunday evening. But the domestic budget agenda he's also running here at least shows his guests he'll do what he says about leaner government. Greg Jennett, ABC News, Sydney.